On this episode of Lifepothesis...
Hi, we're Becky and Austin.
We spent 4 months and $8,000 turning this empty shell into a home equipped for full-time living.
We're going to show you how. Welcome to Lifepothesis.
With the mechanical workup and general maintenance complete, the big day is here. Time to hack some holes in our van. It's a bit nerve-wracking at first, but as long as you measure twice, then measure 8 or 9 more times, you should only have to cut once. Washing the dirt and grime off of the roof helps reduce scratches in the paint while you're working up there. These scratches could cause rust in the future, something sprinters are already prone to. Before you forget, subscribe and hit the bell to get notified when we release our next van build video. We used the fan shroud as a stencil and marked its outside profile. Once we were sure we had it in the right place, there was no turning back. Let the jigsawing begin.
I'm good.
Nice.
Our van has a skylight. Alright. That is way thicker metal than I thought. That's nice.
I think you're stuck on that back corner there.
That's good. That's for you.
Oh, this is for me. Thank you. Hello.
Hi.
Good job.
Alright, so I'm gonna do a couple more little trims around some of the edges.
Okay. Sounds good.
The roof is made of 20 gauge steel. Make sure you get the right blades for the metal thickness and change the blades often for an easy cut.
Did I catch it? Alright, cool.
We were careful to clean up all of the steel shavings. Any shavings left behind will cause rust. Any saw cut on steel will leave rough edges behind. Best practice is to shave them down with a file.
And we're gonna paint these edges. Make sure they don't rust.
Self-tapping screws are nice, but I find that pre-drilling any holes makes for an easy and clean install. Make sure you use Type 2 silicone for your seal. Type 1 is cheaper, but it's acidic and will corrode your metal over time. Don't be afraid to lay it on thick for a good seal. You can wipe off the excess later. refer to your fan instruction manual for securing and wiring.
All right.
Click here to watch our window install video.